Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope everyone is doing great. Let's go straight to our daily analysis. But please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like share with your friends so that you don't really miss this daily updates. So what's really happening on the market? Actually today it's a holiday in the US. So the market is not going to open. So mostly the pairs which are going to go with the dollar or USD, they're just going to be quite slow. So I'm not going to be active today in the market. I will take this as also my holiday. So I'll just relax and do some, just watch a series on Netflix or whatever. Then maybe because you will be forced into trade and you end up losing, right? So I hope you understand. So what's really happening on Euro USD? I'm just doing this updates for you just to understand what's really happening. You can see that yes, the market is still actually pushing to the upside, but you will realize something that the market yesterday, the market was exactly where it was. Mostly the market was just around these areas, and you see that there is no actually enough move. And at least yesterday the market did open, but we still see that we don't actually have a bigger move. But what we have is we have this wedge structure or a triangle structure. So the market is now squeezing here. So what we're waiting for? We just waiting for a breakout. We're waiting for the market to do what? To break out before we look for a buy. Obviously, if it breaks out of this resistance, because the structure is still on this uptrend, the market is still actually on an uptrend. So we're still expecting the market to push up. If not, maybe we'll see the market pushing lower like this. So maybe some people, they will say, Kenzo, you say the market is open, but we see a move. Yes, you will see a move. Actually, we're talking about stock market. We're talking about NASDAQ, US30s and stuff, something like that. But since it's a holiday in the US, I don't think a dollar or traders in the US will be active that much, especially today. So that will also force the currency pairs not to move that much. I hope maybe you don't really confuse the two. When we say stock market, we're talking about the NASDAQs there too, not currency pairs actually. So yeah, I'm still expecting the market to push up, but we'll have to break this area before we look for any buy, or we just have to wait for the market to do its thing. So as you know, we don't really jump on the market. We wait for the market to show us the road, then we follow. Now we are on GBP USD. GBP USD, quite similar to what we saw on Euro USD. On top there, we also have this resistance. The market has been playing around this area actually yesterday for quite some time, and we see very well that the market did not actually change anything. We still see that yes, the market is still pushing lower, respecting this resistance here. So now I think the market will just play around this, between this support and resistance. Still, we are waiting for a breakout before we look for any sort of an entry. So now it's actually a good time to relax, guys. Yesterday we did smash the market very nice. I think it was what, on gold. It was not here on a live session. On live session we did not actually have anything. So what's really happening? We are on GBP JPY. If you still remember, GBP JPY, if you still remember, it was flying, guys. It was going to the upside. So I hope now you can see that. So you can see that yes, this thing has been like going up aggressively. Look where we are now. So it's not really a good idea to say let's just buy. No, it's not really a good idea. So what we can do is we can still go closer there, but what we're going to do is we just going to relax here and see if maybe the market is going to respect this resistance or this support. We can see we have a wedge, but I believe that maybe the market will break this support area and start to push the lower side. The reason behind that is the market has been pushing to the upside for quite some time, and we never saw any sort of reversal. You see, we never saw any sort of reversal. But by the way, I think maybe you see what's really happening. So now let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one, which is actually gold. On gold, actually, if you still remember, on a daily time frame or even on a 4-hour time frame, we actually have something like this. Something like that. The market is actually respecting the support area there, and now it's pushing to the upside. I think I will just go on a daily time frame. So day time frame, one day. So that you can see some very thick candlesticks. So you can see that the market is connecting on the bottom. Let me clear these areas. You can see very well that the market is actually touching all these areas here. So now I will draw the second one. Let's draw the second one. There is a zone. So now we have something like this. So now let's go closer to where the market is, and just to understand what's really happening. We can easily see that yes, the market, after the market touched our support area, the market started to push to the upside. So along the way, we start to see, I actually did not take this gold, but I saw that it might push up. But since the market closed, I thought maybe the market will be playing slower. So yesterday we did take a very nice trade from this area, and the market pushed up. So after that, the market kept pushing up. Now we see a reversal here. That's why I did this sort of a buy pending order, but I did not take the trade. So now I see that the market is pushing up. This was done actually yesterday. So because the market was consolidating around this area. So if I did take that, obviously I was going to be in profit. But since today I'm saying that I'm not going to trade, it means I will just let the market do its thing. I'm not going to open the trades. I'm just going to relax, and tomorrow is going to be a good day. Sometimes you have to reduce your screen time, guys. Screen time, sometimes you watch the chart too much, you end up getting confused, and you just see things that are not actually there, you see. So on this chart, we see that the market is creating a very nice structure. Do you see that? So that's what I'm expecting. You can see the market here did something as a resistance. Even here, we also have that resistance. So there is a room for the market to break that and also do the same thing and continue pushing to the upside. That is a very nice uptrend, by the way. That is very, very, very nice uptrend. So yeah, I'm still bullish, but on top there, we also have a sort of a resistance. So I'm thinking that if maybe I'm just waiting for the market to break this resistance, then we'll then go like full force on buying gold. But for now, we are still having this area as a resistance, so the market can respect that. So I'm just waiting for that. If it's broken out, then we can say yes, it's time for us to look for some very nice bullish momentum, right? So let's push to US30. Obviously, US30 is closed, guys. The market is closed and it will open tomorrow. So I don't think we will see actually a move here. The market will just play around these areas. The market will just play around those areas. I'm not expecting anything. But what we know so far is we are on a resistance. The market actually reached that resistance that we've been talking about. It's a very bit stronger resistance. So I'm expecting maybe the market to break. We will see that. We will see that as the market showed us that it's respecting this area, but it's now playing around the same level again. I'm expecting a breakout. Then the market might still start to push the upside. But for now, we will wait for a breakout because there is a possibility for the market to also respect that. So we actually have always to have two reasons, because it's the market might push up or the market might push down, but we have some reasons why. If maybe it pushes up, we will have to wait for the market to break that resistance before we look for a sell. If not, if the market start to move away from this resistance, we can then take a sell position. So quite similar to NASDAQ, guys. Before we actually continue, I forgot to show you this. Oh, let me show you this. Yes, I wanted to show you this. We have a $39 special. So actually, It's a lifetime. You pay once, then you can be part of the team. You can just WhatsApp me here. We limited this number to 20 people. So the more they join, then I'm going to go back to the normal price. So if you want to be part of the team, you will just let me know, guys. You will just let me know. So now we are on NASDAQ. We can easily see that no, the market is still stuck where it was yesterday. The market is not creating any crazy move or something. We just stuck where we were yesterday. So now our job is just to relax, wait for the market to do its thing. Maybe we will see a breakout. Yesterday we did even have this buy pending order, but the market was like seriously slow. But the bigger picture here is we are still on this uptrend. We're still expecting the market to push up, even though maybe the market might try to push lower. But as long as the market is still respecting this support area, we are actually still on a bullish momentum. So let's see other ones. S&P 500 is still stuck where it was yesterday. Dow Jones, German 40 or German 30 is the one which can move today, but mostly it will just not go that much. I don't think we will see any crazy push. This is France 40. I want to show you DXY. DXY, it's here. Just adjusted the trend. You can see it's respecting actually that horizontal support there. For those who actually check DXY, you can see that the market actually it's respecting this area here. So which means we might see the market pushing up, but I like to see it pushing lower because I want the likes of NASDAQ and the other ones to go up. So let's check the economic news. We can easily see, sometimes I forget to check economic news, guys. Sometimes I forget. So today is Tuesday. What we had actually is Australian interest rates, which they did not actually increase, which is actually good. So after that, we don't actually have anything. So tomorrow, then we will be waiting for OPEC meeting. OPEC meeting is actually those companies, an organization actually for oil countries or oil companies. So they're going to discuss the prices, the production, whatever. So you will see gold, US oil doing its thing. So later on, around 8 p.m., there is a FOMC meeting. So which means they're going to talk about inflation and interest rates around 8 o'clock. I think it's much better to check that. And I think the market will obviously react to that. So on Thursday, we have unemployment claims or jobless claims. We have ADP, non-farm payroll change. This one doesn't really move the market that much. But PMI also moves a little bit, and also unemployment claims. So we'll also check that on Thursday. On Friday, we have NFP and unemployment change for Canada. So we'll try to check that and see if maybe we're going to get some nice trades or something. Sometimes it confuses, so we'll just wait and see what we can do. What I like is it's going to happen like 1 hour before the market opens, so it means we're going to have enough time to decide whether we're going to buy, whether we're going to sell, or whether we're going to just wait, you see. So anyways, thank you very much. This is Kenzo. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So later on today, we're not going to go on our live session. We will actually go tomorrow. But by your support, guys, by smashing that like, subscribe, you're actually making the channel to grow very nice. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. See you on the next one.